In this video, I'd like to share my experience with pulling a permit and getting inspection on a solar project. I'm a homeowner in Redondo Beach, and I wanted to do a do-it-yourself project. Um, I think the best thing to do is show up early in the morning, and Michael Ross helped me, and he basically provides you with a solar permitting guide that has various sections, presumably that you're going to be using one of these two standard plans, and he'll provide you with that document that you can fill out. I had um, all the items already called out in one of my quotes, so it was just a matter of filling in the boxes, and then it was possible for him just to provide the permit right away. The other thing that I think it would be good to do possibly before you go down to the city is use this solar design tool to design your system, and it walks you through step by step what you need to do. I think it it will output this form, and it will be quite helpful. It considers areas like fire code and labeling, and roof layout, which is required of the city, and plot plan, and it uses standard racking systems. I think for a do-it-yourself person, you need to use the standard systems. Don't look at YouTube and go out and buy yourself some pressure treated 2x4s and put your solar panels up with that. It probably won't work. I mean, it's going to work, but not with the city. They're very open to do-it-yourselfers using standard components. Then I used Peter Tucker was my building inspector. He likes solar. He's very positive about it. I think you could, talk to him before he comes out even, and see, some things that you might have questions about, so you don't spend too much money, or you don't you have to redo things. So I'd say all in all, it's a pretty easy process, and the city is really friendly and open toward do-it-yourself installers, and I couldn't be happier with the whole process. It's a very serious thing that they're doing, because electricity could cause a fire and cause injury to people, so you do have to be pretty code aware when you do the work yourself, but they're so open that it's easy for you to learn the things that you need to do and what they expect. Well, good luck with your project.